Hello everyone, how are you? Hopefully all of you are doing well. Welcome to Super Kitchen. Today I will make sandwich but in a different way. So it's a fusion sandwich and you can see by the ingredients that I need bread. I need you can use any salami actually, but I have picked up beef salami. You can use chicken salami or sausage, it's up to you. Cheese, butter, a little bit of salt and pepper, and egg. Also milk. So are you excited to see how I'm going to prepare this fusion sandwich? So if you want to watch it, then you have to like and subscribe my channel and also share with your friends my videos. Now, let's begin cooking. So you have to whisk 2 eggs. I have taken 2 eggs because I'm going to make, I think, 5 or 6 sandwich. So it will depend upon how many sandwich you want to make. So take eggs according to that. Now you have to mix the egg well with milk and the spice mixture that I have put in. So you can take any bread you like. It's up to you because the shape of the bread differs according to countries. In Russia, the breads are shaped like this. Like this. So, I will show you the process. Chop it up into half because the salamis are quite large. Now if the salamis are small, then you don't need to cut it. You can use one full. Now I will cut this cheese. So like this, you can prepare the sandwich. And like this, I'm going to prepare 4 or 6 of them. So yeah, just salami and cheese. Now in a hot pan, I have poured in 2 cubes of butter. Make sure the heat is low, the flame is low. So if you put it into high flame, then your sandwich is going to burn and it will not be cooked thoroughly. So to cook it through, you must ensure that the flame is not too high. It's less than medium. So now I will be dipping my sandwiches really well in the mixture that I have prepared at the beginning. So dip it really well. Yes. Now put it here. I have put in all my 6 sandwiches. And also I've put in 2 cubes of butter in between. So you have to cook it a little bit slow, but trust me, the end result will be loving and you'll be amazed how yummy this fusion sandwich is. and it's easy to make and also tasty to have, so stay tuned and see the final result. I have flipped my sandwiches and it looks like this after flipping. Okay, so this is how the sandwich looks like, and let me tell you that how the inside is. So the inside is like this. I have opened up the entire sandwich to show you, and the cheese will be melting like this. So yeah, this is the yummy sandwich, and make it at your home and let me know how it tastes. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.